So let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and create a post inside of wordpress.com and post it to your site. In that case, you can go around over here onto new and then go to post right here. So once you go ahead and do that right here, then a new page will actually pop up where you can go ahead and simply make your post. So I'm simply going to go ahead and type in as sample post right here. And I can go ahead and choose a block as I like. For example, I chose paragraph block and I can simply say this is an example paragraph right here. So I can simply go ahead and type this in right here. So let's just go around and correct the spelling as well and then paste this out a couple of times, and this is what you have, as you can see. So you can see that I can go ahead and save this into draft right here as I want as well. So if I were to go ahead and save it to the draft, then it is not posted, but it's simply saved as a draft right here. But if I want to go ahead and publish it, then I can utilize the publish button right here. So this is what I have, and simply I can go ahead over here. Let's say, for example, go around and create a new post right here, just like this, and I can simply save that out to the draft as well or publish it out. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and say a second draft post. Let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go around and type it in, and over here on the block, I'm going to go ahead add in a separator, and let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a gallery around over here as well. So let me just go around, select out images from the media library right here. So I got some media library right here. So I'm simply going to go ahead, insert some pictures, and this is what I have. And I can save the draft right here or publish it out according to how I want. And that is how you can go ahead and create out a post using wordpress.com and save out your drafts or post it directly by using the publish button. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.